In this tutorial, we are going to talk about lints and unused variables because we want to investigate the use of this underscore here before this name string. We notice that in this tuple unpacking or tuple destructuring, we have here this handle without an underscore and this string with an underscore. So let's run this code and take a look here in the terminal. So cargo run package finished, running. We're printing here the date and time, and we're printing play away file. Our away file was played, and then we can close. Now let's remove this underscore and run the same code again. Well, it compiled, it ran, but we see a lot of warnings here that we didn't see before, and now even VS Code is showing us that there is something going on. And the warning we get is the warning of an unused variable called string. They give us a help. So if this is intentional, prefix it with an underscore and make it string. And note there is a warning, unused variables on by default. What just happened here? In Rust and in software, a lint is a tool used to help improve your source code. The Rust compiler contains a number of lints, and when it compiles your code, it will also run these lints. And these lints, they may produce a warning, an error, nothing at all, depending on how you configure things. And here they give a small example. So they have this function, they have this variable let x equals to 5, then they run and it gets the same warning, unused variable. And we can avoid this warning by using this underscore in prefix. So the unused variables link detects variables which are not used in any way. Unused variables may signal a mistake or unfinished code, and we can silence this warning for the individual variable by prefixing it with an underscore. And this is what we've seen here. When we had our underscore, we ran our code and there was no warning. If we would include here a variable and we're not using this variable anywhere, we're just having it here, then we have the warning. Again, in this case, this function that we are using, it is outputting a tuple, and we are destructuring this tuple, and this tuple has two values. We don't need this output string for the rest of our code, but it's here, so we can silence this warning by putting this underscore here. In this case, we've seen that this lint unused variables tells us that we've introduced a variable that we're not using in our code. So in theory this is not wrong, it's not an error, but it might be a bug. So we will get a warning.